So there are going to be some technologies invented, I think, to clean the soil and water from microplastics, right, and regenerate those type of ecosystems in that sense. But it is going to start now. It is already starting with awareness, with the collective awareness and the awakening of the masses of the humanity right now. So veganism, even though maybe many of you are opposed of the veganism, but veganism is our natural way, guys. It's our natural way. So we're returning to our natural ways. So the future is vegan, if you like it or not. Maybe it's not going to happen during our lifetime in that sense, but the future of this earth is vegan because it's our natural way of life, and we are returning back where humanity is remembering that humanity is that unconditional love that is materialized in the physical vessel. So we are awakening to back to unconditional love, right? Whatever is available to us every present moment, but we're so blind to see it. Many of us are so blind to see it because we operate within this lower level of consciousness where many of us don't even believe in source, right? Many of us don't believe that source actually exists, right? And I don't know. So there are many, many illusions within this level of consciousness that divides us, that basically places all these separations. But we are doing it to ourselves. It's not the system. It's we are who are the projectors of this basically reality. And I was telling you, so even so when we make a projection, before something comes into the existence, it must come up into a projection into, I would say, in non-physical reality. So it might be an idea, right? So for example, if someone decided to, okay, we need a remote control for this telephone. Okay, so first comes the idea, right? Idea is channeled from the source. It depends on the clarity of the vessel and all other factors that I was discussing earlier in this video. So we need the remote for the phone to basically to operate, right? So idea comes in, then there is going to be a design which is going to be placed on paper. So now we have this, I would say, live materialization of this non-physical concept into physical form in that sense, right? And then from this, I would say, design and the business plan and kind of a selection of the materials and everything else, here comes the actual, I would say, product. But before product is being produced, and there are many, many steps that need to be taken in order for this remote to basically exist in this reality, right? So it always starts with a channeled information, channeled idea in that sense. And so that's how our projections work as well. They basically, if we project something, it doesn't, so even though we project it every present moment, it doesn't materialize within our reality right away. It basically materializes within our reality later, kind of the process. It's kind of like a creation of this remote. So the projections becomes a materialization within the reality only within a certain period of time. And this period of time can be different. It depends also on many, many, many factors, right? So even though some of us think whatever we project right now by consciously or unconsciously participating in animal suffering and animal exploitation, so the gratification of this, the materialization of that projection, it doesn't come into the reality, to our reality right away. It's actually the process needs some time to develop and then manifest in our reality. So it might be months, it might be even, I don't know, years, no, not years, but maybe months, I would say. And many of us don't